Welcome everyone to the presentation about our company. Today we are going to talk about our transportation company ABC Logistics. Here you can see our company profile. The company is based out of Bangalore. The company was started in 2012 in Bangalore. Today it has 3 branches in Bangalore, Mysore and Mangalore, and it has 86 staffs. Here is a brief preview about the company. ABC Logistics is a highly skilled transportation company which have been classified for cargo delivery service for any destination in Karnataka. Our corporation is not only one of the biggest but also one of the most trusted in the state. The company has been providing excellent service since 2012. Based in Bangalore, functioning as the strategic center for our links that spans from local states to all part of India. Our branch offices are widely spread in cities like Bangalore, Mysore and Mangalore. Our company ABC Logistics has a vision. The vision is to be integrated transportation company with the goal to serve logistic needs of our customer and provide the best service to our customers. The missions of the company are to eliminate the logistic problems of our customers, to maintain our position as the market leader in transportation, to be well known and reputable company, to enrich our experience in the transportation field, and finally to be a public company. Here is the organization structure of the company. At the higher level there is the senior management and there are different working bodies under that, namely administration, transport, workshop, commodities and field operations. Under each of these divisions there are sub-departments. Under the administration there is finance, personnel, security, procurement and communications department, and under the transport there is fleet management, dispatch, regional and fuel control. Under the workshop there is heavy vehicles, light vehicles and spares control, and under the commodities there is port operations, warehousing and commodity accounting and operation scheduling, and in the field operations there is field supervisors. Here are the various types of services we provide. We offer various types of bed for payload from 25 to 60 tons to meet our clients' need. There are short flatbed, long flatbed and drop side bed vehicles. The types of cargo include iron, fertilizers, wood, construction materials and industrial equipment, etc. Coming to the facilities provided by the company, the ABC Logistics company operates a total fleet of 160 trucks. The trucks we use are from well-known different brands like Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, etc. And the other facility is the monitoring system. All of our deliveries are tightly monitored by the monitoring checkpoints along the delivery route and by mandatory stop at our headquarters to check the delivery status. Moreover, our trucks were equipped with GPS facility for online monitoring.
The strategy of our company that must acknowledge the following elements are: the first one is customer requirements, where we must satisfy their demands. The next is timely shipments. The shipments must be delivered without any delay or other reasons. The next strategies are career relationships and accurate measurements, where there must be no deviation in the accuracy. The next is flexibility. The company must be flexible and should be ready to any emergencies faced so that there will not be any impact on the deliveries. The next is the transportation costs. Transportation costs are those costs associated with the flow of products on links between two facilities. Basically, there are two types of costs. The first one is the flow costs. Flow cost is nothing but the direct cost per unit that are associated with the product flows between any two facilities. And the next one is transportation resource costs. This is the indirect cost per unit associated with the managing flows. Coming to transport cost characteristics, first one is the fixed costs. These include the terminal facilities, transport equipment, carrier administration, roadway acquisition and maintenance, which may be road, rail, pipeline or may come in navigation. Fixed cost does not vary as they are fixed. For example, between any two facilities, the fixed costs are fixed and there won't be any change. The another is variable costs, which include fuel, because fuel requirement may vary depending upon the route, and some other variable costs include labor, equipment, maintenance, and handling, pickup, delivery, and taxes. The challenges faced from us are competition from other companies in national and international level. So, in order to succeed, we must ensure top quality deliveries. The next challenge is the technology to keep pace with demand for real-time information, and integration of services and value-added services are another setback which may be faced by us. The next is the shortage of funds to fuel expansion and growth. And the last challenge which may face is the inadequate infrastructure available and complex tax laws that are implemented by the government. And yeah, that's all from our company. Thank you for watching.